When it comes to branding, Flipsnack offers you a very diverse range of options. These ensure that your brand identity is properly represented both in the flipbooks that you create and share and in the workspace where you and your teammates work. To begin, click on the branding button in the bottom left corner of the main dashboard area. In this lesson, we will skip over the Settings tab as this contains some of our more advanced features, and we will take a look only at the Personalization tab and the Brand Kit options. That being said, let's begin with the Personalization option. These let you express your brand identity when sharing your Flipsnack profile page, which is basically a collection of all your public flipbooks. On the left side, you can see the different options, and on the right, you get a visual aid for what these changes do. You can also click on the See My Profile button to be taken directly to your profile page. Changing the favicon will modify the small image displayed in the URL bar. We recommend using a thumbnail that has a 1:1 ratio and a size smaller than 150 kilobytes. Moving on to the header settings, you can choose to hide or display a header for your profile page. If you display one, then you can also add a custom logo and change the colors for it. You can also show a search bar so that your profile visitors can easily find specific flipbooks. Then you can show or hide your profile information. If you choose to show it, then you can set a profile name, description, and you can also add a profile link. In the same area, you can link your social media accounts. Changing your social media thumbnail will modify the thumbnail that is displayed when you share your Flipsnack profile on social media platforms. For the thumbnail, we recommend a 1:91:1 ratio, less than 2 megabytes in size, and a resolution of 1200 by 630 pixels. And finally, you can add all sorts of links to your profile footer. Within the branding section, you can also build your brand kit. You can upload your own fonts and view or delete the uploaded ones. Before uploading a font, make sure that it is a TTF or an OTF format. Otherwise, it won't be accepted. Also, make sure that you have permission to use the font that you want to upload. By adding your own brand colors, you simplify the process of finding and using brand colors while you work on customizing your publications and designing them. Once set, these colors can be used in various places within the Flipsnack app. Logos uploaded here can be used in different places on the Flipsnack platform, like when customizing the flipbook player or when you want to send a branded email. You can create custom default typography settings for headings, subheadings, paragraphs, and pagination. You can have up to 20 different styles at one time. From here, you can also delete and add another style.